I've been working on more meat skewers for a customer here in Taiwan, and I wound up making this sort of zigzag lightning look on one, and so today I'll see if I can replicate that. I've got this piece to the point where I can try to do that pattern again. Someone recently asked me if I could sell them my old style guillotine tool, if I could make that for them, and so that made me dig out my own, which you see here. I found these dies that I made a while back to fit this tool, and that's what I used to create that zigzag pattern. The guides for this guillotine tool are milled from solid steel, so they've got a good heft to them. If anyone is interested, I have a couple extra of these ready to be completed depending on the hardy hole size. And this guillotine tool will come with 3 die sets: fuller, flat, and butcher. So that's basically that. Nothing fancy, but interesting. Here's a closer look in case you want to replicate making a set of these dies for yourself. Now I'll flatten that zigzag out a little bit and see what that looks like. I need to give a big shout out to Guy Carpino for his recent very generous donation. I also need to shout out Vance Viter for becoming my newest Patreon supporter. Thanks so much for helping to keep the channel going. Okay, I'll give this one more go, this time on a piece of small square. What I found is using this method with this setup really only works on small diameter stock to impart that zigzag lightning pattern. I used a larger piece and the result was not as pleasing. So that's it, just a quick one today, but maybe you can use this to add something a bit different to certain projects. And as you know, we got a lot more fooling around to do.